Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 30. An object is embedded in a block of ice 10 centimeters below the plane surface. If the refractive index of the ice is 1.50, the apparent depth of the object below the surface is A. 6.77 centimeters, B. 7.63 centimeters, C. 7.50 centimeters, D. 2.50 centimeters. Now we are given an object, okay, which is embedded in a block of ice 10 centimeters below the plane surface. So this is the real depth, okay, of that object. So the real depth is equal to 10 centimeters, and then we are given the refractive index, which is represented by this symbol, refractive index, as 1.50, and we're asked to find the apparent depth of the object, or the way the object appears when you observe it, okay, from the top. So what is the apparent depth? Okay, now refractive index is equal to real depth over apparent depth. So we are looking for apparent depth, remember. So if you make that subject to a formula, apparent depth will be equal to the real depth over refractive index, and our real depth is equal to 10 and our refractive index is 1.50. So if you divide that, you have 6.77 centimeters, 6.77 centimeters, and 6.77 centimeters is option A. Option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.